What's up? Sketchy Jesse here. This is video number 3 of the jumpable lawnmower. So it's super cold out, it's snowing. Shut that. Shop's a disaster. Got the metal here. Let's just clean this up real quick. No, that's not how you do it. Let's try it this way. I mean, that's a little better, but that's doable. I like that trick. So I guess we'll rip this thing apart some more. Try to make a frame for it. Hopefully we can finish that tonight. All right, now it looks like a big skateboard. So I guess what I can do is tip it up, get some measurements. Wow, that is not straight. That's all right. Yeah, I'll tip it up and then get some measurements, make the frame underneath, and then I can make the tubes that kind of go up here, and then I'm gonna make them turn down somewhere there. Fit nicely under the hood. Yeah, we'll do that. So I don't know where my square went, so I gotta use this. That should keep it somewhat straight. So I gotta ask for a grinder for Christmas because I suck. Frames welded on. So I gotta maybe make a piece of 1 inch to go in here and here, and then I might, maybe I'll cut here and then make a piece that goes, 2 pieces that go down to there. All right, front end is all tacked together. Yeah, sorry, I've been at it for a while. Front end's all tacked together. I don't think I can mount the gas tank where I want it, but I can always just mount it somewhere else. I added some braces as well. So I added this guy and this guy. So now it's kind of a frame. So there's the frame underneath, these bars on the top, and then 4 little guys. Look at the gaps, I gotta fill those. Oh, that's bad. But they're welded to there. So that should, if you jump it, which I'm going to, the top braces will help strengthen it that way, I think. I don't know. I'm not an engineer. So this video is only the frame. So now let's move these things. Now I gotta figure out how I'm going to do the back. So did some brainstorming. What I think I'm gonna do is cut here. Oh, there we go. Cut here and maybe here, because I want to keep this nice curve. But this is where the rear fenders mount to, so I need to keep those, and I need to keep some kind of shape because I want it to still look like a lawnmower. The only thing is, so this, I'm gonna cut these off, and this is just gonna be like a round tube all the way down, and I'm gonna notch a piece of rectangle tube to fit around this. I'll show you that. But my problem is, if I put pieces down like this on the same angle as that, it's not going to be very strong, because they're like, you want the wider, and I don't want it to come out here, because I want it to be as lawn tractor or lawn mower as possible. Hello? So I think I'm just gonna have to gusset as much as I can to make it solid. Yeah, I don't know if maybe I could go off of here as well, and here put gussets in, like plate here to the tube. I don't know. That's a tough one. So yeah, just gonna do it and see what happens. If I jump it and it breaks, then I jump it and it breaks, and I'll build a better one, which I want to do anyways. All right, so what I'm gonna do for the swing arm is, got that all grinded down. I'm gonna hole saw here with it right here, 1.5 inches, so it's a little bigger. Oh, sorry, a little bigger, but 1.5 inches is also a little bigger than that, but it'll be enough to wrap around, and I can weld mostly around. And then the lawnmower frame is flat, so I can weld the flat edge to the flat edge, and then this will be like that, notched out, and then I can weld it to there, and then it'll be on there, and then I can make the mounts going down. Yeah, all right. So I pretty much wasted my time right there notching it, because I just cut it anyways. So that'll sit on there like that. And then I'll weld this there somewhere. So let's do that now. All right, it's 11 o'clock at night. It's 11 o'clock at night. I got to work tomorrow. So I'm going to call it a night. But I'm not ending the video yet. I'm going to finish this rear suspension. And then that'll be the end of the video. But I'll show you what I'm thinking. So I had to cut the top right there off because it was hitting. But I thought it was still hitting because up here doesn't quite touch. But it's because I spread the frame or the chassis out, spread it out, welding the frame in because I kind of hammered it in. So it will fit. So for here, what I'm thinking is I need a seat support. So I'm gonna make a frame that kind of comes out like that, or even like if it'll fit in the bender. I don't know yet, but I need to build something that's here. Look at that. Performance. All right, I'm going to bed. Peace out for now. All right. Just finished work on a Friday. Gonna attack this mower some more. I'll show you what I've been thinking. So what I've been thinking is the rear support for the rear suspension. This is where it mounts. I need something to come down, but the rear fenders go here, so there's nothing I can put to here because it would show, and I don't want that. So what I'm thinking is I might put the battery in most of the electronics here, and then I can build the tubes to come across, and then just build like a sheet metal cover, and that way it's covered up. And that way there's not like bars sticking out everywhere or tubes sticking out. So I think I'll make it just above the battery height and then put a couple braces there. And then I'll have to make the seat loop with some support, and then yeah, something like that. I think it would look all right. So let's do that. All right, I've got it to a point where I can finish the video now. It's cool. That's cool. Hold on. So I guess I can take this off. Try to do this one hand. Try not to cut myself. Rusty metal. Let's kick it. There we go. So I made this frame that goes down to the frame underneath. Oh God, don't look at the welds. I have 4 pieces down there that go to the main frame that I need to fill extremely huge gaps. There's a frame underneath. So I put bars in here that go through here all the way to the back, through there, and then I made a little like subframe kind of thing for the rear seat. I had to put a piece of metal in here, like a little shim piece. I'll weld that in. It was a little too low, so yeah, I'll just make a little sheet metal cover that goes around there, and it'll still look very lawn tractor-ish, lawnmower because it's not a tractor. Yeah, look at that. Imagine it breaks right now. Yeah. It's pretty neat. It's getting there. All right. Here it is. So everything's kind of loosey-goosey. Like the hood's barely on there, but look at this. Oh yeah. Don't need that. That's suspension. In the back. That's pretty soft. I wonder, I'm gonna sit on it and see. I need to stiffen up the shock. This is the first time sitting on it. Oh yeah. That needs to be, ooh, doing a wheelie. Need a better shock. That's all right. Yeah, I'll get a stiffer shock so it sits up here instead of being a lowrider down here. That's cool. Then the front, that's probably fine. Just get a better rear shock in her. Yeah, thanks for watching. Gotta post more, gotta finish welding it. Get the engine mounted up, get the chain on, controls on. I guess that'll be the next video. Chain, hopefully that's gonna be tough. Then I'm gonna paint it like a surprise paint job. It's gonna be sick. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like it, make sure to follow. I don't like saying that, but anything helps. Gonna do another lawnmower project after with a 450 race quad. That's what I wanted to do originally, but this is more in the budget. But yeah, make sure to like and follow, and I hate saying that, but yeah, do it. Thanks. See you later. See you in the next video.